Hey guys, Harry Duffy with Ohio Brush Patrol. So for those of you that do not know, we're going to be doing a Snap-on mini fridge giveaway for Christmas 2023. The way you get into drawing for that is you have to subscribe to the channel between now and Christmas. So make sure you subscribe and we'll get you in the drawing. All right, back to the normal video. Hey guys, Harry Duffy with Ohio Brush Patrol. So we are out here on the Pickerington one. My goal for today is to get this side of the pond mulched. We got everything pulled up yesterday. Got some bigger material in here, so might have to take my time on it. But we have Ryan over there. He is doing finished punch out work on that side, just going down the bank one more time, pulling stuff up, consolidating it. Tomorrow I'll do one pass down, one pass back on that side, and we'll be done with that side. Like I said, the goal is to get a lot of this material that we pulled out mulched up, and then tomorrow Ryan can kind of consolidate it again and do punch out work, finish up pulling. I don't know who's doing this. Got some silly stuff going on. But we should be able to grab all this stuff, get it mulched up, and that'll be a wrap on this project. Hopefully we'll have this done tomorrow, end of the day tomorrow, and then we'll be moving on to the Newark project that we actually already were out at, but we have some finished mulching to do out there. So I'm not gonna walk you guys all the way down, but yeah, there's just kind of piles of stuff, kind of windrowed a little bit, so we'll be working through that. Like I said, bigger material, but we should be able to chew it up, see what we get into on this. Gotta get the machine greased up real quick, and then we'll get you guys set up on it and take off. there, Duffy with Ohio Brush Patrol. So we're out here on day 4 of the Pickerington, Fairfield County pond project. We are done. Just kind of wanted to give you guys total update on everything and show you what all we got done. So we'll do the dam last. I'm gonna go around this way and stop at the dam, but here's a total picture of just this beautiful scene. I think this pond is, I think he said 1.25 acres. It's kind of long and skinny. Let's walk you guys around here, show you what all we did. So the whole goal here was to clear the banks, clear a bunch of trees out of the pond, and then do a 15-foot path all the way around. We kind of overkilled it in some spots. Obviously this is over 15 feet, but had a little mini 35 series track hoe out here grabbing stuff. I still gotta mulch this little pile, just this little scrubby stuff on the way out. But I mean, this is just beautiful. It really is. Fall time, once this stuff rots out, vegetation, grass and everything else starts popping back up through, he'll be so happy. This is some thick stuff though. I mean, it's about 6 inches deep. All right, sorry, Ryan called me. He had a couple questions. So like I said, got the Rayco C140 out here doing the finished mulching on this. This machine does really do a nice job. I mean, look at that mulch that it puts out. It really does a nice job with those carbide teeth on it. I've actually been getting some questions on this machine, so I'll just do a rundown on it real quick. It's a Rayco C140. It is a 140 horsepower. It's got a 4.5 liter turbo John Deere. I actually redid the motor in it here last season. Run carbide teeth on it. I do not run knives. These are working out pretty good. These have about 300 hours on them, and they're still doing extremely well. I will probably replace them at the end of this season though, just because those things the teeth are pricey. Steel track, steel grouser, single grousers on them, so it does chew up some dirt. But I tell you what, this thing will climb out of anywhere, will not get stuck. You'll see that on when I walk you over to the dam over there, how much of an incline this thing was just walking right up. I believe the undercarriage on it is John Deere also. What else? It's got limb risers on it. The previous owner put 2 auxiliary batteries on it. I don't know why. It had a slow crank when I first got it, and I just replaced some connections and it fixed it. Big old winch on the back. Never had to use that winch, but I'm sure I will. Thing's a little beat up. Not majorly beat up though. I mean, it's pretty solid. But undercarriage is great on it. No major leaks. It's been a really good machine. I'm super happy with it. All right, let's keep walking. I think the client's pretty happy with it. His son likes to fish, and he told me the only fishing spot they had was that little grassy spot right there. And I saw his son out a couple days ago just having an absolute ball finding new fishing spots, so that was great. This was pretty hairy back in here with the track hoe. I mean, that's 45 and then a sheer drop also, but we got it done. Nice little path down, beautiful all the way around. We're coming up on the head of the pond, which I don't know if you guys remember from the very beginning of the video. This is the head of the pond. And I think I mentioned it before, we had to climb over this little Osage orange or hedge apple tree right here to get to the other side. Oh, so that's a really good reference. Climbing back over it now, look. I mean, not a super good view from this angle just because a couple overhanging trees and everything, but oh geez, getting too old for this. Just kidding. This would be one nice spot here next spring when all this stuff's rotted out, vegetation starts popping back up. Nice little jut out here, good fishing spot. Look at that. This spot with the mulcher was the most hairy because first off it's got a slope, second off it's really narrow, and third off there's a bunch of this gunky stuff on the surface, so I was sliding pretty good down, and it got a little hairy, but we got it done. See some, looks like bluegill or something down in there. Tell you what, this would be a nice little fishing pond. Oh, big old frog. Saw a water snake earlier. Must be a healthy pond with all that wildlife in it. Just beautiful though. There's a mulcher over there. Kind of gives you a reference of how big the pond is. But I have a feeling this client will have us back out for, I think he's got a total of 8-9 acres here. Maybe cut some trails back in here or do something. I don't know. We will see. So this is a little area. I think he wants, he just wanted this area cleared real good. Probably just either throw a picnic table back here, maybe camping with his kids. I don't know, just nice little shady cool off spot. But he wanted, in the contract, it was supposed to be 50 by 100 foot. So we got that all done for him. Still got some really nice healthy variety of trees here, silver maple, pine trees. So couldn't ask for a more beautiful day. I tell you what, nice little breeze going. I think it's about 80 degrees, so not super hot. We're almost around to the dam. Gotta come back and grab my stuff when I'm done showing you guys around. I tell you what, this dam was so close, so overgrown on both sides, you could barely walk this thing. It was crazy. So I'm gonna walk down to the bottom. Walk down to the bottom of the dam. That is a 45-degree angle, and maybe even steeper right here. I mean, that is bad, and that mulcher with those steel tracks on it just walked right up it. It did absolutely phenomenal job. The idea was to get all the vegetation off the front and back side of the dam so it doesn't have any leaks. Got some bigger logs down in here. There's another stack over there for firewood, but well, I'm gonna walk back over here, grab my stuff, go meet with the client real quick, And that'll be a wrap on this one. We are headed to Newark next, do some mulching out there, and then I'm going on vacation, which I'm beyond excited for. It's been 2 years since I've been on vacation, so we're overdue. Kids are excited, and yeah, I'll enjoy that. But like always, guys, appreciate you watching. Please like and subscribe if you haven't already, and stick around for the next video. Thanks, guys.